Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Thumbtack to hire contractors for renovations, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Thumbtack website or open the Thumbtack app on your device. Create an account by signing up with your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the type of contractor you need, such as plumber, electrician, or general contractor. Click on the search button to see a list of available professionals in your area. Browse through the profiles of contractors that appear in the search results. Take note of their ratings, reviews, and past project photos to help you make an informed decision. When you find a contractor that meets your needs, click on their profile for more details. Review their specialties, service area, and any additional information they provide. If you are interested in hiring them, click the Get Started button to request more information. Fill out the form with your project details, including your budget and timeline. Submit the request to the contractor through the Thumbtack platform. Once submitted, wait for the contractor to respond with a quote or additional questions. You can communicate with the contractor directly through the Thumbtack messaging feature. After discussing your project, if you feel satisfied, you can proceed to hire them. Confirm the agreement and schedule a start date for your renovation project. Keep track of your contractor's progress and stay in touch throughout the project. Feel free to leave a review on their profile after the project is completed. This helps future customers make informed choices when hiring contractors on Thumbtack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.